Why are people so obsessed with the idea of passive income? Why did you click on this video in the first place? All because passive income gives you freedom. What is freedom? It's the ability to live off your schedule, to travel, to buy whatever you want. I know you're striving for independence, so I'm going to tell you about the best passive income ideas in 2023. Before we begin, I should tell you that other than the last method of real passive income doesn't really exist. No dog will appear at the snap of your fingers, and you should realize that. Passive income does exist, but you have to lay the foundation for it first. It's like farming. First you plant the seeds and then you reap the rewards of your labor for years. For the first phase you have to work hard at first, but then you'll have closure for the rest of your life. The first way is to make money from other people's business. This is also called traffic arbitrage. Roughly speaking, you help the business find customers, and for this you get a percentage of each sale. There are many affiliate programs such as like Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, the same Yandex. Market allows you to earn money from promoting other people's goods. In some affiliate programs you get from 20 to 40% profit every month. You can get traffic from TikTok, YouTube, Insta, and any other social network. It all comes down to your savvy. And the best part is that you don't have to worry about anything. Tovari, shipping, taxes, brand building. It's all done for you. All that remains is to bring the client in. It's also worth understanding that traffic arbitrage is full-fledged marketing. To make the viewer click on the link and go to the site, you will have to fiddle with the psychology of influence on clients, and this will surely give you a good experience in sales. The second idea of passive income is to create content on YouTube. You can shoot both on Russian YouTube, selling your products and services, creating a personal brand, and on the Western one, where you will get money with official monetization. You will be paid just for watching. Depending on the topic, on American YouTube you will get from $1 to 20 for every 1,000 views on your videos. 1 million hits in a month will get you between $1,000 and $20,000. I think that sounds tempting. On top of that, a YouTube channel is a full-fledged brand. By making vlogs and sharing useful information, you gain the trust and respect of your viewers. Your loyal audience will help you pump up your media exposure, which will definitely increase the number of zeros in your account. And the best form of passive income is investing, which is the truest form of passive income. Because all you need are seeds. Like in the analogy that I gave at the beginning of the video, you don't have to water the plants to get a harvest. Someone else does that. Investing is the surest way to eventually become a millionaire. You can invest in anything from the S&P 500 to real estate to cryptocurrency. But the most important thing is to understand where you are investing and realize the responsibility. And also consider your expertise in where you put your money. Again, investing is a long-term game, not a millionaire here and there. Have patience, steadfastness, and read the book The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham.